In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in the CapCut PC app. If you need to switch the interface text, settings labels, and tooltips into a different language, this is the quickest way to do it directly inside CapCut on your computer. The process is simple, and once you know where the setting is located, it only takes a moment. Start by opening CapCut on your PC so you can see the main project dashboard screen. This is the home area of the app where your projects and editing workspace options appear. Once you're there, move your cursor to the top right corner of the window. Look for the small gear-shaped icon and click it once. This opens a compact pop-up menu with a few options related to the app's configuration. From that menu, select the top option called Settings. Clicking this will open CapCut's main settings panel, where you can adjust how the app behaves and looks. If you've never opened this panel before, don't worry, it's very straightforward and organized into sections. Now go to the General section. This is where CapCut stores several core app preferences, including the language controls. After that, move your pointer toward the right side of the settings window and click the tab labeled Language. This is the section that contains all of the available interface language options for the app. Once you're inside the Language tab, you'll see a vertical list of language choices. Scroll through the list carefully until you find the one you want to use. When you see your preferred language, such as Spanish or French, click on it once to highlight it. Make sure the correct option is selected before moving on, especially if several languages in the list look similar. After selecting your language, move down to the bottom right corner of the settings panel and click the blue Save button. This confirms the change and tells CapCut to apply the new language setting. Right after that, CapCut will usually prompt you to restart the app. Go ahead and click Restart. This part is important because the interface won't fully update until the app reloads. When CapCut opens again, the menus, settings, and tooltips should appear in the language you selected. If you ever want to change it back, you can return to the same settings area and repeat the exact same process. And that's it. You're all set, and CapCut should now be displayed in your preferred language.